Do you have any recommendations for folks that they're going to go out, they're going to buy at skinny.com? What types of sauces or recipes might you recommend? Just traditional marinara, or like what's the best
Yeah,
on your
you know,
products?
you know something. I think that's a preference. That's a consumer preference that I won't influence. But we have a ton of really good recipes on our website. We have a whole recipe section dedicated to it. We have really cool videos on it. So I would say go to itskinny.com/recipes and find something that strikes your fancy.
In terms of the feedback that you get from your customers, what's kind of typical feedback after people try to incorporate It's Skinny pasta into their regular menu? What do they end up sharing with you about their experience?
Well, I think if anyone has ever tried to eat alternative pasta, they have had to sacrifice considerably. And the biggest bit of feedback that we get is that they are incredibly surprised by how close it is to regular pasta. So I mean that's super encouraging to us. I mean, I do it with a bolognese sauce. I put rice and bone broth. The rice is really good in a stir fry. And we get consistent feedback along those lines. Some people like the fettuccine noodles. They think that's the closest comp to regular pasta. I personally like the angel hair and the spaghetti. So, and my dad likes the rice. So I think it's totally open to preference. But the really cool thing about it is it's such a close comp, um, that it really pleasantly surprises our consumers, especially those who have tried to eat alternative pastas before and have been really disappointed.